But it was not your fault but mine, and it was your heart on the line. I really f***ed it up this time, didn't I, my dear? Didn't I? I know it might not sound like it, because I grew up in England, but I was born in America. I was born in California, and last week it was my great privilege to vote for Vice President Kamala Harris and Governor Tim Walz to be President and Vice President of the United States of America. And I would encourage you to get with your mates, make a voting plan, and go out and vote, because every vote will matter.